Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to style post comments with Elementor. This is a fantastic way to customize the look of your comment section, making it more visually appealing and aligned with your site's overall design. Let's jump right in and get this done. First, you'll need to open your website's WordPress admin dashboard and log in. This is your central hub for managing all aspects of your WordPress site, so make sure you're using the correct credentials to access it. Once you're logged in, you'll have full control over your site's settings and design elements. Next, navigate to Templates in the left-hand sidebar. From there, hover over it and you'll see a submenu appear. Click on Theme Builder. This is where Elementor allows you to create and manage custom templates for different parts of your website. The Theme Builder gives you the power to design every aspect of your site's layout, from headers to footers to individual post types. Once you're in the Theme Builder, look for Single Post and click on it. This section is specifically for customizing how your individual blog posts appear on your site. After clicking Single Post, you'll see an option to Add New. Go ahead and click that button to start creating your custom template. Now, you'll be prompted to select a template type. Make sure you choose Single Post as the template type. This ensures that the design you're about to create will apply specifically to your blog posts and not other areas of your site. Selecting the correct template type is crucial for making sure your styling appears in the right places. Here's where you might hit a small roadblock. In order to create a single post template and style your post comments, you need to upgrade to Elementor Pro. The free version of Elementor doesn't include access to the theme builder or advanced styling options for comments. Elementor Pro unlocks these powerful features, allowing you to fully customize every element of your posts, including the comments section. Once you've upgraded to Elementor Pro, you'll be able to proceed with designing your comments section. You'll have access to widgets and styling controls that let you change fonts, colors, spacing, and layout of your comments area, creating a polished and professional look that matches your brand. And that's it. You now know how to style post comments with Elementor, though you'll need Elementor Pro to complete the process. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.